Whatever it is.
Oh.
Progressive.
125 minor. All right, everybody, welcome back. We are at the Red Hot Casino and Resort, and we have made our way on to Dollar Storm Aussie Boomer. Oh, that is loud.
$2. There we go.
Three more. Those are free games. All right, Aussie Boomer.
That's 5.
3 more.
Come on.
Come on, free game.
Line something up. So far, Red Hawk has not been great.
It has been terrible.
It's really
bad. 4 more.
2 more. There we go. $1. I'll take it.
Come on.
Come on. Nothing.
Alrighty, and that's all our $500 free play winners. Give them a big round of applause, please.
Right
Come
now.
on, Aussie Boomer. 4 more.
Alright, now for our grand prize winner who's going to come up on stage with me and play this lovely game we have set up here. Here we go. You guys ready to win some money? Lisa Tennyson, 840045. Lisa Tennyson.
All right, are we ready? Here we go. Bonus in the bonus. We need it.
Going to the side. Nothing. Walkers. There you go.
There we go.
$200. There we go. Do it again.
Dang it. All right, Boomer.
It is right there, too.
Oh, wait, it is like that.
Yep, barely missed in that time.
4
Get
more.
us 4.
Congratulations, Lisa. Right this way.
4.
Alrighty, for those folks who are watching as well as yourself, this is how we're going to play the game. We got numbers 1
5 more.
through 40. If you choose any of those numbers, we're going to fill it on with. That envelope is going to have any of these prizes on it. That'll match 4.
There you go.
We're going to get that prize, okay?
$15. All right. I'll take $15.
Heck yeah. Let's go. We need those coins.
Alright, here we go. Pick a number. Number 3.
Oh, we just pay more than $15 for one chicken strip meal
Oh, yeah.
at Jack in the Box.
1 more.
There's still a lot of money, you're right. 28 down here.
4 more.
Come on, come on.
2 more. Oh, that would have been nice.
$10,000. 3 more.
3. Come on, come on.
2 more. Oh, come on. I don't want those curses on the first.
3. All right, give us that major now. Drop it, drop it. Or a super grand chance.
Just showed us the major.
I know.
Come back with it.
Come on, mini, minor, major. Let's go.
One word. Give us that word. Come on, get one. There you go.
Come on, give us a word. Mini, minor, major. Let's go. Last one.
Thank you.
Come on.
A lot of smalls.
Yeah.
Back to back.
Your choice. On the 50, she put it on the 50, everybody. All right, Lisa, you're still in the game. A little bit closer to 50. That was
All right, Eagles.
You got plenty of numbers still up here. They're all dancing and waiting to get picked.
Okay. Only $1.50.
17.
Oh, wait.
One more.
Oh, I thought I had it.
No, did I?
She got all 4 on the board. Everybody, Lisa just won $4,000. Give a big round of applause, please. Congratulations, Lisa.
Come on.
All right, once again, guys, I do this drawing at 9:30 as well. So stay
Come on,
tuned.
come on.
Check in at any of the kiosks.
Oh, that's not bad.
Here down to the fine, beautiful area.
750.
If you go around the casino, make sure you got card here to presents win. And good luck, everybody.
Come on, come on.
Shaboom. It's not Shaboom. Shaboom. $20. That's a nice win. Sounds like me in the morning.
That sounds like you in the morning.
2 more.
2.
One more. Oh, you went by, hopping by. Just hopped on by. One more. Hopped on by again.
Oh, 2 every time. Oh, I wish there was something to line up.
Only 5 lines?
Yeah.
$5, only 5 lines here.
Man, nothing.
Oh, how about $3?
3 more,
Three
3
more?
more, 3 more, 3 more.
First on the
That would have
first.
been so good.
That was a nice $150 one.
I know, right? One more.
Oh, wow, I thought that was a win. So we're up about $130 right now. So you want to try some
Whatever you would like. I've been picking, you pick away.
Try a couple $5 here. $3.
Come on, two more,
One
one
more.
more.
There we go. That's why we do it. The same
start.
line hit that we got on that 2 cent
I don't know. Can you start it though?
would be way better right now. Let's hope for something.
Come on, line it up.
There we go. Oh, not as good. $42. I'll take it.
Come on, come on. Oh,
Oh man, barely missed out.
come on, come on. Missed it. Come on.
Two more. Alright, last spin. Something good last spin. There we go.
We'll take it. 9's all the way.
4 of a kind dogs. Twice. 190. Alright.
All right, let's go.
There we go. Now I'll take it. I gotta be greedy here.
Come on, get it, get it.
How about they do it again? 3 more.
You gotta go to something.
How about go down?
Come on. Let's go. 4. I've asked for 4 every single time. 3.
Now you just need 3. It's only 15 lines though, so it's really
I
gotta line
noticed
up.
that, yeah. I think I'd rather bet $3.75 on 5 cents. Because you get more lines. Look.
Ooh. I thought you had it.
Okay.
Queens,
And that wolf.
$20.
All right. 4 more.
You have asked for 4 more a lot. Don't seem like they give more than 4. It's only 2. I know you go to.
What?
What were you gonna do?
I don't know.
Try a couple here. Started with 420, so we're up like $200.
There we go. 3.
Missed it right there.
Missed it by 1 on there. One more.
Come on. 4 anywhere. Come on. There's Shaboop. $17. Okay.
Come on. I need 6 of you.
There you go. Way to tell it. I'd be scared. I'd give you 6. I
You
want to
should.
fight.
3.
We've only got what, 3 games? Do another one.
Yeah?
Yeah. Or go to $1 and do one. Shaboot. They don't shaboot when it's 5 line like that. Two more. Yeah.
I just don't know what to say.
Well, like I said, we're up 150 right now. I'm okay with just cashing out with what we started, or $100 win. One more. Hopped on by. One more. Why? So elusive. Got her bet back. I'll take it.
2 more.
Alright, we started at 420,
Yeah.
so we're up 130.
Yeah, what do you want to do? You pick.
Let's just do that until
Go down to 5?
Yeah, 5 more 5 spins.
No, it'll be 10 cents.
What?
At $5?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's 10. Three.
3 on the curse on the first.
What if we did it?
Alright, that's fine.
I
Yeah.
guess it really doesn't matter because nothing's.
Oh. One more. There we go.
Boing, boing, boing. Huh? Oh, yes. All right, let's go, guys. Ready?
Yeah, go. Let's do it.
All right, let's go.
Oh, come on.
Boot it. Let's go. We need to line them up.
You do better than that. How about the bonus in the bonus?
I know. We haven't had nothing.
That's the only time we got the bonus was one time. Nope. Wow, this is
This is a stand up for a $5 bet. Last spin.
3 more.
Yeah, a whole bunch of nothing. Thank you. Drop the major you're not going to give me.
Do it. Oh, one more. Oh, we got back into it.
3.
You know that
What
won't
the
happen.
hell?
That's the curse on the first.
One more.
It followed us all the way to Red Hawk.
Look. All right, guys. That is Dollar Storm Aussie Boomer. Started with 420, cashing out in 5. Make sure to like and subscribe. Welcome back, everybody. We are at the Red Hawk Hotel and Casino on this panda game. It has no name. He has the funny teeth. All right, let's see if we can get in something here. Got our volume up. $2 bet.
And a $1.75 win. All right. I like the way this game started.
Oh, Panda Empire. Ha. I think we need 5 total for the hold and spin thing.
But
And at any time he could throw them
down, right?
Yeah. Come on, Panda.
He could randomly just chuck them down there and give you a bonus.
hat guy does something different, okay? Press the spin button or screen. Okay, go. Oh, we're growing. Let go, let go.
Move it this way. This way. Towards me.
All right, here we go.
All right. There we go. What do we got to get the top?
He opens each one up when you get one. Other than that, I don't remember.
All right, we want green guy.
Oh, last spin. Oh, short-lived. How fun.
Back to even. Do it again.
Oh.
Take it. Throw 2 down. There we go. You started. I started last one. There we go. Super. What'd she do? Add money?
Yeah.
All right. There we go. Get those bigger numbers.
He adds spins.
All right. I like this game so far. Firelink,
Oh,
but
come on.
with a twist.
Last spin.
There we go.
Oh, okay. So I think we have to stay spinning at least this many times to open it.
All right.
So like if we don't get our spins.
So if we get it 1 though, we'll get it open. Because we get 4 spins.
No, we have to get that to a 0. So if we don't get nothing here.
No, but that's what I'm saying. Now we have 4
yeah.
spins.
Yeah.
Get 1 more though. I don't want to get it on
Land
its
something.
technicality. This one.
Land.
We got it. Whatever
I don't
it
know.
is.
Oh.
Progressive.
125 minor. All right. All right, let's add up what we got up there.
All right. Not a bad win. 156 bucks. I'll take it.
All right.
Alright. And now his pot's empty. One more. Empty pot, don't matter.
All right, go ahead.
Thank you.
Give us another chest.
Yeah,
Come on, just one.
Ooh,
Last one.
the chest was fun. There we go.
Ooh, all right.
We need a
Give
panda.
me a green guy. We need a green panda. We need a panda with a hat on.
One more. Oh. Come on, keep it alive. Don't be done. Here, go for it. $12. Back to back, do it again. Not even full now. It's got an empty pot. Because he gave all of his money to us. Well, thank you. Alright, bunch of wilds.
Come
Those
on.
are free games, right?
I think so.
Two more. Throw them back down. Now what do you think?
Whatever you want to go to.
Well, I would just, I don't go anywhere.
It'll probably be wild. Yeah.
Man, where's the pink guy on the front? Now we're missing pink guy in the middle. Need more wilds. Not enough wilds going around.
Nope. 3 more.
Alright. Come on.
Come on, pop it, Panda.
Pop, 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 pop. Come on. Pop goes the panda. Nope. He's her.
3, 3, 3, 3. All right, you want to get up?
Up to you.
Here.
What do you think?
What did we come on here with?
Start with 5. Start with 100.
Okay, let's just take our win.
Alright.
All right, guys, that is Panda Empire. Started with 5. We are up to 6. Make sure to like and subscribe.